Hello everyone, my name is Emily from Protect America, and today I'm going to be explaining the 7 different light colors on your Amazon Echo. For reference, I'm going to be using the Amazon Echo 3rd generation. The 7 different colors include blue, orange, purple, white, red, yellow, and green. If your device doesn't have a light on, this means it is in resting state, waiting to hear a command from you. Now, let's dive into each color and what they mean. You will see a spinning blue ring when the device is powering on and starting up. If you see solid blue with a lighter blue section, this means your device is listening for a request and processing it once you have spoken. The lighter blue section should be positioned toward the person who is currently speaking. The lights will flash blue and light blue when the device is responding to you. Alexa, turn on the lamp. You will see orange lights when your Alexa is trying to connect to your Wi-Fi network. If the purple light is swinging like a pendulum around the ring, this means your Amazon device has failed to connect to Wi-Fi, or this means a similar error has occurred during the setup process. If you see a single purple flash, this means your device is now on Do Not Disturb mode. This means you will not receive calls, messages, notifications, or drop-ins while activated, although you can still use voice commands in this mode. If you see the single purple light flash after trying to use a voice command, this is your device reminding you that you're still on Do Not Disturb mode. The light ring will turn solid white when you're adjusting the volume. You can adjust the volume on the device itself, or you can use voice commands. Alexa, turn the volume to 8. If the light ring on top of your Echo is red, this means you have disabled the microphone feature. Alexa will not respond to your request unless the microphone feature is enabled. If the light ring is pulsing green, this means you're receiving an incoming call or a drop-in on your device.
Call from Protect America.
Alexa, ignore this call. That was my boss. If your device is pulsing yellow, this means you have a new message or notification that needs to be reviewed. The yellow light will only go away when you open your message. Alexa, read my message.
From Protect America, make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel.
That's it. That's all the colors. You can avoid ring lights from coming on in different circumstances. Whether you're hosting movie night or trying to put your kid to sleep, you might not want that yellow and green light causing a distraction. To keep your yellow and green light from lighting up, you can simply go to your Amazon Alexa app and go to the Devices tab. There, you will put your device on Do Not Disturb. This can also be scheduled so you don't have to do this every night. To make sure your yellow light doesn't come on, you should also turn off notifications for your Amazon shopping. While you can't manually turn off the orange and purple light, you can keep it from glowing by maintaining a strong internet connection. If you're interested in expanding your connected home, Protect America offers home security devices that are compatible with the Amazon Echo. Alexa, tell Protect America to arm for away mode. Give us a call or go online to protectamerica.com/securityyourway.